How to download Virgin Money mobile banking app. Now, if you want to download the Virgin Money mobile banking app, just so you get confused, because Virgin Money also has a credit card app that is used for credit cards. So if I go to my browser and search for Virgin Money, you can see the first is a credit card app, the other one will show up for mobile banking. But in this case, you're trying to download the mobile banking one. So if you're using Android, you can go to your Play Store and search for Virgin Money mobile banking and make sure to install it. If you are using on iPhones, then you should be able to go ahead and open up the App Store, search for Virgin Money mobile banking application, and you'll be able to download the official app. You just want to make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection, and after you've done that, the application will be installed on your device. This way you will be able to download a Virgin Money mobile banking app. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.